Yes, you will.
Not too much.
The big boy.
Okay, stop. Hold on. I'll tell you when. Hold it.
Let's see the cinnamon challenge. You got water ready for him?
Swallow it. Yeah, try to swallow it. Don't spill it, don't spill it.
Wait, get him ready for water.
Yeah,
Let's see the cinnamon challenge. Come on.
Let me have her glasses.
Oh, gosh.
Come on, Caleb. You gotta do it.
Don't
Just
spill it, don't spill it.
Just eat it. Just eat it. Hey, you're spilling it. Just eat it. It's coming out of his nose.
Kaylee, get out.
Except he did much.
Look at
Big.
I can't believe you didn't throw up.
Hurry, chug water, dude. Get it.
Where's the spoon?
Oh, they were throwing up.
Yeah,
last
they
night.
did.
So you gotta get more,
But
Mom.
you had eaten.
Hey, where's the spoon?
I mean, go get it from Caleb.
Can we see? Oh, that's stupid. It really did like shit. The whole time.
My throat. You better go over there.
Yeah, it'll stay in your throat for a long time. Make sure you brush your teeth, because it'll stay in the teeth.
Okay, stop. Go ahead. Go over there.
Yeah, it will.
Good sport.
Look at Jay. Look how much he
Not
has.
in jail.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on.
Move out the way.
Alright.
Guys, I can't see.
That's a big spoonful, dude.
It's dry. It's so dry you can't get it. Get him a water, Papa.
Yeah, give him some water. You don't have a water ready for him?
Can I try
No, you can't.
We wouldn't even let Lance try it. I was like,
Watch what you're getting, he's getting all over his
His eyes are He's not done. Look at it.
not that if you just
Here.
keep your mouth shut, it would come, you know, like go down and it all came out of his cloud.
Thank you.
No.
No. Your eyes are all right.
I know. He's trying to drink
Why
water.
can't you drink water?
It's because he's trying to drink water, he's trying to get down by that cinnamon. It's like
Yeah,
making
cinnamon
me
in your
cough.
throat.
In your throat.
I can still feel it like right here.
You wanted to try it. You want more?
Easy gargle.
It's better whenever you see it come out. It's like,
Yeah, like y'all.
I would do it again, but I don't want to.
Sure.